Hello everybody, welcome to Being Civil. It is the video number 19 of our series OpenSTAAD tutorial for beginners. In this video, we will show you how to select beams from Excel using OpenSTAAD and VBA. We will first hard code the beam numbers in the code itself and select in the STAAD, and later we will make the code more dynamic where you put down the beam numbers in Excel and select some range, and that beams will be selected in the STAAD. So first we do the first example. The OpenSTAAD function to select the beams is your OpenSTAAD object dot geometry dot select multiple beams and beam array. Beam array is nothing but the variable that we have to declare that will store the beam numbers. So first we have to declare the beam array. It is a long array type variable. Suppose we will select two beams 87 and 88, so we have to declare the dimension of the array. As array starts from 0, so the dimension here will be 1. So the element of the array will be like beam array 0 and beam array 1. So we have assigned the elements to some beam numbers. We are ready to run the code. Just deselecting all. If I run the code, by clicking here, you see 87 and 88 beam numbers is successfully selected in STAAD. So now if we want to select another beam 89, then we have to change it from here. We have to change it to 2 and also add third element like that. I run this code, the three members will be selected. So this selection is not dynamic, so I will make this more dynamic. So user will put the beam numbers in the Excel cells, and from the selection of the cells we will first convert it to an array, then we will select the beams in the STAAD. This is the second example. Look that we haven't put any values here because we don't know the length of the array. We have to dynamically get this from how many cells you have selected. So J is the selection dot cells dot count. If you select these three, J will return 3 here, and we have redimensioned the array to beam array 0 to J minus 1. That's all. So if you select 3 cells, the beam array will be of 0, 1 and 2. If you select 2, it will be 0 and 1, like that. Now you have to assign all the cell values to this element of the array. For this we have to do a for loop. The for loop will start from I equal to 0 and it will loop like that for each cell in selection. If the cell value is numeric, then it will assign the value to the element, and then it will increase the I value by 1 and iterate over it. The CLNG is just to convert the cell value to a long type variable, because beam array is a long type variable. We are ready to run this code. So 106, 144 I have selected and click on select beams. These two beams is selected. Suppose I have add 86, 87 and select all this and select beams. You see this is working fine. That's all guys. And another thing, if you want to select the nodes, all the codes will be same. Just change nodes here, all the beam, change it to node. It will be good to go. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, share with your friends. See you in the next video.